So, in this video, we will find a case study that how Stanley Vietnam can save 10% of energy by applying Internet of Things. Stanley Vietnam is a subsidiary of Stanley Electric Corporate, a global Japanese corporation specializing in lighting and electronic components, especially for the automotive industry. Established in Vietnam in 2004 and located in Hanoi province, the company focuses on manufacturing high-quality automotive lighting equipment such as headlamps, rear combination lamps, and indicators for global car brands. Stanley Vietnam combines advanced technology and precision engineering to meet the international standards in customer satisfaction. And what is the Internet of Things, or IoT? The Internet of Things refers to a network of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity capabilities that enable them to collect and exchange data in real time. These smart devices can monitor, analyze, and communicate information to optimize performance, reduce human error, and support data-driven decision-making. IoT plays a key role in predictive maintenance, energy efficiency, and automation, leading to significant operational improvements. And this is important: how Stanley Vietnam applies Internet of Things in manufacturing. Stanley Electric Vietnam has adopted IoT technology to enhance its manufacturing process by integrating smart sensors into key machinery and production lines. These sensors continuously monitor parameters such as temperature, vibration, and power consumption, providing real-time insights into equipment health performance. The data collected is analyzed through an intelligent dashboard, allowing the engineer team to predict maintenance needs, minimize the downtime, and optimize the use of energy. As a result, the company has achieved a 10% of reduction in operational cost and improved overall production efficiency.